Hi, Stana McDougall here with Keller Williams Realty, and I just wanted to be sure that you knew I was hosting a home buyers workshop coming up in the next couple of weeks. It's going to be power-packed, full of great information, and there'll be lenders there also to answer your question. So this workshop will be perfect for the first-time home buyer, but not just the first-time home buyer. It'll be great for current home buyers who are either looking to move up and those who are looking to downsize. And I think if you're an investor, you'll also find it very valuable to see what the market holds right now. Anyway, the dates, mark your calendar, are going to be March 14th at 6 p.m. and again, the same workshop on Saturday, March 17th at 10 a.m. So whatever may work best for you. Now, if this doesn't sound like it's going to work for you, but you know someone who it would be perfect for, please give me their information or please forward this email on to them. Okay, and it's going to be at 7777 Alvarado Road on the 7th floor. The building is called Allied Plaza. So again, thank you for forwarding this information to those you care about, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Okay, bye.